Today my topic is receptor proteins. This topic is sub part of my previous lecture, that is cell-cell signaling. The receptor proteins topic divided into 5 points: introduction, types of receptors, cell surface receptors, mechanism of transmembrane receptors, and functions of cell surface receptor and intracellular receptors. Now first, definition of receptors, अर्थात कोशिका सतह ग्राहक व अंतः कोशिकीय ग्राहक. Receptors are protein molecules inside the target cell or on its surface that receive a chemical signal. Chemical signals are released by signaling cell in the form of small volatile or soluble molecules called ligaments. What is ligaments? As we know, it is a chemical signal released by signaling cell in the form of small volatile or soluble molecule. Nearly all cells in the body have insulin receptor proteins. When these receptor proteins contact insulin, it binds to the ligament binding location on the receptor proteins. This causes a conformational change in the protein. अर्थात रिसेप्टर्स एक प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल है जो कि टारगेट सेल या कोशिका की सतह पर पाए जाते हैं और केमिकल सिग्नल को प्राप्त करते हैं. केमिकल सिग्नल्स एक प्रकार के लिगामेंट होते हैं. नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ रिसेप्टर्स. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ रिसेप्टर्स. फर्स्ट इज cell surface receptors and second is intracellular receptors. Now first, cell surface receptors. Cell surface receptor, also known as transmembrane receptors. These are cell surface membrane anchored or integral proteins that bind to external ligament molecules. This type of receptor spans the plasma membrane and performs signal transduction, converting an extracellular signal into an intracellular signal. अर्थात कोशिका सतह ग्राहक, जिन्हें ट्रांसमेम्ब्रेन रिसेप्टर्स भी कहते हैं, ये सेल सतह मेम्ब्रेन एंकर्ड और इंटीग्रल प्रोटीन्स को एक्सटर्नल लिगामेंट मॉलिक्यूल से बांधते हैं. इस प्रकार के रिसेप्टर्स प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन में फैले रहते हैं तथा सिग्नल ट्रांसडक्शन को परफॉर्म करते हैं और एक्स्ट्रा सेलुलर सिग्नल्स को इंट्रासेलुलर सिग्नल्स में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. देयर आर 3 टाइप्स of cell surface receptors, or we can say there are 3 general categories of cell surface receptor. First is ion channel linked receptors, second is G protein linked receptors, and third enzyme linked receptors. Many membrane receptors are transmembrane proteins. There are various kinds including glycoproteins and lipoproteins. Transmembrane receptors are typically classified on the basis of their tertiary structure, that is 3-dimensional structure. If the 3-dimensional structure is unknown, they can be classified on the basis of membrane topology. In the simplest receptor, polypeptide chain cross the lipid bilayer once, while others such as the G protein coupled receptor cross as many as 7 times. Each cell membrane can have several kinds of membrane receptors with varying surface distribution. A single receptor may also be distributed at different membrane positions depending on the sort of membrane and cellular function. Receptors are often clustered on the membrane surface rather than evenly distributed. इस प्रकार जो रिसेप्टर्स है, ग्राहक हैं, वे एक क्लस्टर्ड के रूप में मेम्ब्रेन सरफेस पर एकत्रित रहते हैं, न कि जबकि समान रूप से डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं होते. Now, mechanism of transmembrane receptors. There are 2 models have been proposed to explain transmembrane receptors mechanism of action. These are dimerism and rotation. The dimerism model suggests that prior to ligament binding, receptor exists in a monomeric form. When agonist binding occurs, the monomers combine to form an active dimer. What is agonist? Agonist is a chemical that binds to a receptor and activate receptor to produce a biological process. इस प्रकार डाइमराइजेशन मॉडल के द्वारा डाइमर की उत्पत्ति होती है. सेकेंड मॉडल नोन एज रोटेशन. लिगैंड बाइंडिंग टू द एक्स्ट्रा सेलुलर पार्ट ऑफ द रिसेप्टर इंड्यूसेस ए रोटेशन, that is conformational change of part of the receptor's transmembrane helix. The rotation alters which part of the receptor are exposed on the intracellular side of the membrane. Cells have proteins called receptors that bind to signaling molecules and initiate a physiological response. This is important because most signaling molecules are either too big or too charged to cross a cell's plasma membrane. But not all receptors exist on the exterior of the cell. Now, functions of cell surface receptors. Cell surface receptors such as membrane receptors and transmembrane receptors are embedded in the plasma membrane of cells. They act a cell signaling by receiving extracellular molecules. पहला कार्य, they act in cell signaling by receiving extracellular molecules. They are specialized integral membrane proteins that allow communication between the cell and the extracellular space. Second function, communication between the cell and the extracellular space, and first is the act in cell signaling. The extracellular molecules may be hormone, neurotransmitters, cytokines, growth hormone factors, cell addition molecules, or nutrients. They act with the receptor to induce changes in the metabolism and activity of a cell. जो extracellular molecule होते हैं वे मेटाबॉलिज्म में परिवर्तन उत्पन्न करते हैं, साथ ही कोशिका की एक्टिविटी को प्रभावित करते हैं. नेक्स्ट फंक्शन, इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ सिग्नल ट्रांसडक्शन लिगेंड बाइंडिंग अफेक्ट्स ए कास्केडिंग केमिकल चेंज थ्रू द सेल मेम्ब्रेन. जो लिगामेंट है वो व्यापक रूप से रासायनिक परिवर्तन उत्पन्न करते हैं. नेक्स्ट फंक्शन, cell surface receptor bind to an external ligand molecule and convert extracellular signal into intracellular signal. Now, what is intracellular receptors? Intracellular receptors are receptor proteins found on the inside of the cell, typically in the cytoplasm or nucleus. In most cases, the ligands of intracellular receptors are small, hydrophobic, that is water-hating molecules, since they must be able to cross the plasma membrane in order to reach their receptors. Many hormones act at intracellular receptors to produce long-term changes in cellular activity by altering the genetic expression of enzymes, cytokinase or receptor proteins. Such hormones are lipophilic to facilitate their movement across the cell membrane. That's all.